Good morning, students. Today in this fourth video of chapter 1, standard 7 SS, I am going to explain, I am going to discuss the small question answers. Once again, standard 7 SS, chapter 1, and today it is the first lecture, first video, and the name of the chapter is Rajput Age. Rajput Age, New Rulers and States. New Rulers and States. My dear student, I have already explained the chapter. If anything is not taught while discussing time, okay, my dear student, during the question answer, surely I will explain. Okay, my first question is, who built Rani Ki Vav? Who built Rani Ki Vav? My dear student, Queen Udaymati. Who built Queen Udaymati? Okay, Queen Udaymati built the world famous Capwell. Capwell means Vav. Capwell means Vav. Rani Ki Vav at Patan. In a short way, we can say like that. Okay, in a short way, we can say like that. Rani Ki Vav was built by Queen Udaymati, or Queen Udaymati built the world famous stepwell Rani Ki Vav at Patan in a short manner. Okay, my dear student. But here we have to explain who was Queen Udaymati. That is also necessary, and that's why I have written. Okay, we know Rani Ki Vav was built by Queen Udaymati, but who was Queen Udaymati? That is also necessary. That's why I have written. Okay, Queen Udaymati was the daughter of the ruler of Junagadh. She was the daughter of the ruler of Junagadh, Rakhenga. Okay, she was the daughter of the ruler of Junagadh, Rakhenga. And my dear student, she got married. Queen Udaymati got married with the Solanki king. With the Solanki king. Who was that? Okay, King Bhimdev I. King Bhimdev I. Queen Udaymati got married with the Solanki king, King Bhimdev I. Okay, got it? So here the answer comes. Okay, Queen Udaymati, the daughter of the ruler of Junagadh, Rakhenga, and also the wife of Queen Bhimdev I. Okay, King Bhimdev I. He was belong to Solanki dynasty. Okay, King Bhimdev, he was one of the great ruler of Solanki dynasty. Okay, built the world famous Capwell. Capwell means Vav. Okay, what is the name? Rani Ki Vav at Patan. Once again, so answer is this much only. Answer is this much only. Queen Udaymati. Okay, Queen Udaymati built the Rani Ki Vav at Patan. We can say in that sense also. But we have to explain everything. Okay, got it? Second one, where did the rulers of Chauhan or Chehman dynasty initially rule? Where did the rulers of Chauhan dynasty or Chehman? Chauhan or Chehman dynasty they rule. My dear student, okay, the rulers of Chauhan dynasty, they rule in some parts of Gujarat as well as in Rajasthan. Okay, my dear student, we know. Okay, Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, then King Ajay Raj. Okay, we know. Okay, so where did the rulers of Chauhan dynasty or Chehman dynasty initially rule in the beginning? Okay, my dear student, the answer comes. Many Rajput chiefs of Chauhan or Chehman, we have to say both. Chauhan or Chehman dynasty ruled in different parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay, my dear student, if you have visited Rajasthan, you will find many forts are there. Okay, and my dear student, you can visit. Okay, many forts are there. Okay, and they were built during Rajput age. Okay, my dear student, and my dear student, here we can say, okay, those who have seen, those who have visited Ajmer, those who have visited Ajmer, they know the history of Ajmer. Okay, earlier what was the name, and later on how it became, how it is known as Ajmer. Okay, earlier what was its name. Okay, everything they explain. The guide who just says everything about Rajasthan, they explain. Okay, so first one is some rulers. Okay, they were rulers of Chauhan or Chahman dynasty. They ruled in different parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. My dear student, next point. One of the branches of this ruler. One of the branches of these rulers ruled in Shakambari. Very Shakambari, a place located to the north of Ajmer. Located to the north of Ajmer, near Sambar Lake. Got it? So, where initially they ruled? They ruled in Shakambari. Okay, where it is located? It is a place located to the north of Ajmer, near Sambar Lake. Got it? Next one. Who founded Anhilwad Patan? We know. Okay, when I explained the chapter, I said Anhilwad Patan was founded by the King Vanraj Chawda. Okay, my dear student, normally in history what happens, if any new city is established or founded, what happens, the king gives the name of that city, new city, from his name. But here it was different. From here, here it is different. Though Vanraj Chawda was the king, but the name of the new city was given from his name, from his friend's name. Okay, and Anhil Bharwar was his friend, childhood friend. My dear student, Anhil Bharwar was familiar with jungle, forest, and that is why Vanraj made him as his friend. We know what happened. Vanraj's father, when he was defeated, at that time, when Vanraj's father Jai Sikri, he was defeated. At that time, Surpal, the uncle of Vanraj Chawda, took Vanraj and his sister to the jungle, and Vanraj was brought up in jungle forest. That is why name is given Vanraj. One is jungle. Okay. So who founded Anhilwad Patan? Answer comes only in a one word: Vanraj Chawda. King Vanraj Chawda. Okay. But we have to write down everything. Okay. So who founded Anhilwad Patan? Answer comes King Vanraj Chawda. Okay. King Vanraj Chawda founded the new city named Anhilwad Patan on the banks of the river Saraswati. Okay, and my dear student, it is also believed that this name was taken from his childhood friend Anhil Bharwar. Once again I repeat, King Vanraj Chawda. Okay, who was Vanraj Chawda? He was the son of King Jai Sikri. Okay, Jai Sikri, he was the father of Vanraj Chawda. Okay, founded a new city named Anhilwad Patan. Okay, Vanraj Chawda founded a new city named Anhilwad Patan. Where? So on the banks of the river Saraswati. Where it was founded? It was founded on the banks of river Saraswati. In which year? It is also written in the year 756 AD. in the year 756 AD. It was founded. Okay, my dear student. Second point is most important. Instead of giving name to the new city from his name, he did not do like that, but he had given the name of the new city from his friend. Okay, and my dear student, Anhil Barwad was the friend of Vadraj Chavra. It is a common belief. It is commonly believed. It is a common belief that he means Vadraj Chavra. He named this new town Anhil Patan after his childhood friend Anhil Barwad. My dear student, here we can say Anhil Patan. This name is given from Anhil Barwad. Dear students, my next question is, who was the last ruler of Vaghela dynasty? Who was the last ruler of Vaghela dynasty? My dear student, I will explain you. Okay, from the year 746 till 1304. Okay, during this period, my dear student, Rajput kings, they ruled over Gujarat. And my dear student, the three dynasties ruled over Gujarat. Okay, and that is called medieval age also. Okay, they were Chavra. After Chavra, Solanki kings came, and after Solanki, Vaghela. Okay, so which three dynasties ruled in Gujarat? So first one comes Chavra dynasty. Okay, after Chavra comes Solanki dynasty, and after Solanki, Vaghela comes. Okay, so here the question is, who was the last ruler of Vaghela dynasty? My dear student, after Vaghela dynasty, the Muslim ruler, they started ruling over Gujarat. Okay, so my dear student, and who was the first sultan of Gujarat? You know, Muzaffar Shah was the first sultan of Gujarat, and his real name was Jaffar Khan in the year 1304. Okay, AD. Got it? So the question is, who was the last ruler of Vaghela dynasty? Okay, the name is Karnadev, King Karnadev. Okay, King Karnadev was the last ruler of Vaghela dynasty. My dear student, in the year 1304, Muzaffar Shah, became the first sultan of Gujarat, and his real name was Jaffar Khan. Got it? Next one. Here, name any three major dynasties of North India. Here it is written three major dynasties. If it is asked 3, you have to write down 3. If it is asked 4, you have to write down 4. But here I have written everything. Okay, here I have written everything. If I ask write any 5, so you have to write down only 5 dynasties. Okay, but here I have written everything. Okay, all 11 dynasties. Okay, so name any 3 major dynasties of North India. First one, that is called Gadwal dynasty. After Gadwal, Chandel came, Chandel dynasty. Then Parbar dynasty, Chavra dynasty. After Chavra in Gujarat, Solanki kings were there, Solanki dynasty. And who were the main rulers of Solanki dynasty? We know, Mulraj Solanki, then Siddharth Jai Singh, Bhimdev I, Bhimdev II, and also Kumar Pal. Okay, so these are the well-known kings of Solanki dynasty. When we consider about Chavra, Vanraj Chavra, we know. Okay, so Gadwal dynasty, Chandel dynasty, Parma dynasty, Chavda dynasty, Solanki dynasty. After Solanki, Vaghela dynasty. And we know Karan Dev was the last ruler of Vaghela dynasty. Okay, then Chedi dynasty. Okay, then Chauhan or Chahman dynasty. Then Gohil dynasty, Pal or Pala dynasty, and last Sen dynasty. Okay, my dear student, in the notebook you have to write down everything, but in the examination what is said this much you write down. Okay, so once again, Gadwal dynasty, Chandel dynasty, Parma dynasty, Chavda dynasty, Solanki dynasty, Vaghela dynasty, Chedi dynasty, Chauhan or Chahman dynasty, then Gohil dynasty, Pal or Pala dynasty, and Sen dynasty. Got it, my dear student? These rulers, okay, this dynasties rule in North India. Now next question is another one, that is South India. It was North India. Now this is South India. Name any three major dynasties of South India. Okay. Again, I have written many, but you have to write down only three in the examination. Okay. Don't copy only three in the notebook. Okay. My dear student, in the notebook you have to write down everything. So, major dynasties of South India. Major dynasties of South India. Who are they? Chalukya dynasty. My dear student, when I explained, I said na, okay, Kalyani dynasty, Kalyani Chalukya dynasty. Okay, there is one also. So Chalukya dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, okay, Yadav dynasty, Hoysal dynasty. My dear student, Yadav and Hoysal. Okay, Yadav and Hoysal are so separate. Okay, got it? So Yadav dynasty, Hoysal dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Chola dynasty, Pandya dynasty, and Chel dynasty. Okay, so once again I repeat, Chalukya dynasty. Okay, my dear student, one more branch was established. Okay, they rule in one of the region. Okay, between the river Godavari and Krishna. Okay, that way I have explained. Okay, so Chalukya dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Yadav dynasty, Hoysal dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Chola dynasty, Pandya dynasty, and Chel dynasty ruled over South India. Got it? Next question comes, who was the first Sultan of Gujarat? I have already said. Okay, who was the first Sultan of Gujarat? Now you know. Okay, I have already explained. I explained this chapter. This question that I have said. So, who was the first Sultan? Muzaffar Shah. Okay, Muzaffar was the first Sultan of Gujarat, and his real name was Jaffar Khan, and he started ruling over Gujarat from the year 1304. 1304 I already explained. Got it? My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. My dear student, if you have already written, no need to copy again. If it is not written, then only you can write down in your notebook